It's the biggest chance we will ever get to find help. Because doctors of standard medical care, if you don't fit an exact profile, they'll just shrug their shoulders at you and say, we're sorry, even if they say they are sorry. They just ignore it if you don't fit. My name's Katja. I live in Hamburg with my wife, and she got diagnosed with multi-system atrophy of kind P and probably long COVID as well. And I've got a long history of trauma, and 2017 I had some impact, and it took me to recover until 2024. And when I was quite okay again, she really needed more and more help, and the strain got so much I started to cut myself. And we were searching for help because normal medicine doesn't provide many answers to severe neurologic diseases besides some pills. And a friend found SOZO, and I asked my mom for the money to join a workshop to get a glimpse and find out if I maybe can learn it to help my wife. And I think Petros just noticed my arm, and so that's how we came to be here. The staff adoringly kind and lovely people, just really helpful. Petros or Sergei or Stavria, Christos, they're all really kind and supporting. And I found the examination thorough and really generous. All they did with MRI and examination, doing some testing. I've got the feeling it's really very good, based on knowledge and facts. I didn't cut myself since I've been here, so now we've got a chance to get a better lifetime together, getting more of my life back when she will need less help. It was just a great package.